Question number 3. Okay. A ball falls from rest in the absence of an air resistance. The position of the center of the ball is determined from 1 second intervals. Okay. So free fall. So therefore, after 1 second, so the ball will be somewhere like this over here. Okay. When it is released, what are the distances in meters traveled by the center of the ball during each second for the first 4 seconds of the motion? So this is your 0 is first second, second second, third second, fourth second. So he is asking you what are the distances over here. What is the distance? Now, how do we start with this? When you say you are dropped, what from rest, which means what? Initial velocity is 0. So you can write S equal to ut plus half at square, where u is 0, so this should be equal to half gt square over here. So first distance travel should be equal to half into 10 into 1 square, which should be equal to 5 meters. Everywhere 5 meters. So this is 5 meter. Okay. Second distance S2 should be equal to half into 10 into 2 square, which is 4, which should be equal to 20 meters over here. So from here to here it is 20 meters. 20 meters. This distance that should be equal to 15 meters. Now, which of them is 15? This is a 15. So B is the right answer. That's it. Okay. No need to verify everything.